Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add and customize animations in the Google Slides. So adding and customizing animations in Google Slide is a way to make your presentation more dynamic and engaging. And here I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. So if you want to add animations to text or objects, you can just select the elements. Click on the text, image, shape, or objects that you want to animate. For example, I'm going to go with this elements right here. Now you can just go to insert at the top and find on animations, tap on animation, and here I can choose an animations in the right hand sidebar. You can tap on the add animation and then choose the animations that you will like. For example, I'm going to go with fly in from the left, and here you can choose the options on click after previous or with previous. I'm going to just go with after, and we can just click on play to preview it, to preview the animations. Okay, if you want to customize the animations, once you've added, you can just choose how the animation start. In here, I'm going to click on this again, right, this one right here. So on click start, when you click during the presentation, after previous play, after the previous animations automatically, or with previous play simultaneously with the previous animations. I'm going to go with on click. Let's try it. Click on play, and this is the result. I'm going to just go with slow. Let's adjust the intensity. You can also add animations to multiple elements. So you can animate multiple elements on the same slide, select each element, and then add animations individually. And if you want to, you can also add transition effects in between slides. So open the transitions panel. You can just click on slide. Sorry, let's close this first. Click on the slide, and in here click on transition, and you can just choose the transitions that you want. And if you want to, you can also apply it to all slides. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.